How to make metal on WavePad without effect chain. This tutorial will also include colorama. Let's start with metal. Echo time, 90. Oh, it's 90. Help! Somebody help! Oh, haha, funny number. Now, okay. Echo time, 90. Echo gain, 2. Let's hear the result.
Hello, hello, hello.
Wait, what? What? What?
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello.
I think I have to apply it. Like the menu at the bottom.
Hello, hello, hello.
God dang it! It doesn't work! Oh, come on, bro! He's recording. How to make metal on WavePad. First of all, open WavePad, then click Echo. Echo. Oy. Sorry for the interruptions. Unfortunately, I had to use a WavePad of a different language. The echo gain is 2. Is it 90?
Hello, Moto.
I have to apply it. God. Applicar.
Hello, Moto.
I have no idea. Oh, come on, bro! Come on! Oh, come on, bro! How to make the audio for colorama on WavePad. First of all, go to Effects. Then, go to Special Effects. Then, wait, what? Echo. Echo time at milliseconds 10. Echo gain 99, I think.
Hello, Moto. Hello, Moto.
Let's play the result.
Hello, Moto.
This tutorial is not just about colorama. It's not just about colorama. It's about metal too. Where's okay, now metal. You have to go to effect chain, go to echo. Add gain time 2. Gain time 2. Let me see if it
Hello, Moto.
No, that's not it. Oh god. Let me see what it's like. No, come on. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? Let's just skip metal. I'm gonna try it on a different software. Now, okay. Now it's time for girly voice. For this one, I'm gonna put it in a different video. Bye. Sorry for the interruption. Okay. Now metal. Gain 90. Time 2. What? I can't save it as a preset? Save effect chain. Oh god! Dang it! Help! Oh. Apply effects. I had to change audio files for some reason. Bye.